Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to make sprouts with wheat and I will be using my stainless steel sprouts maker. When you are using sprouts makers, the process of making sprouts becomes a lot more easier. So let's begin with the video. Here I have some whole wheat. You easily get to buy these in the stores, and also it is available online. If you are not able to find it in your nearby shops, you can buy it online as well. Here I am taking about 200 grams of whole wheat. We'll add some water and we need to wash it properly to ensure there is no dust, dirt or anything which remains. Now change the water and let it soak overnight. I kept it for about 8 to 9 hours and this is what it looks like in the next morning. I will drain out the excess water, and here I have my stainless steel sprouts maker. There is holes everywhere and I am keeping a plate as well so that the excess water can be collected over there. Now I will transfer the weight in it. Just make sure that there is not too much of water that remains. You can just use a strainer so that the excess water is drained out, and then you can transfer everything in your stainless steel sprouts maker. I bought this one from Amazon and this is 1 container sprouts maker. So I'll keep it like this for one entire day, and next day this is what it looks like. It has just started to sprout and I washed it, kept it for another day. This is the progress on the second day, and let me show you the progress on the third day. From top it looks like the sprouts are smaller, but if you can see this much it has grown. It will grow even more if you are keeping it for one more day or maybe 2 more days. It will grow even more, but it depends on your taste preference also. How much ever you want them to grow, you can keep it for that many days. I think 3 days is like a good enough time for the wheat sprouts to come, and then you can start consuming it. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.